Chad, what's going up, baby? Welcome back to NYSE. Jev, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good, man. I'm doing good. Feeling much better compared to the beginning of the week.
Nah, awesome.
How are you?
I'm good, brother. Top of the world. But yeah, guys, we were just having a little bit of technical things there. Sorted that out quickly. Just literally waiting for this news. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. We have our alerts. I've been waiting the whole time for this break over here. So literally waiting for this break to take sells. So we're just gonna see what happens on this. Had a few alerts going off. We're just clearing that quickly. So yeah, literally from the news side of things, obviously dollar melting off. But if you look at the news, everything actually coming out pretty much dollar strength. So that's kind of why it's a bit confusing, a bit of a dud, but I don't trust that dollar weakness if fundamentally it actually should have been dollar strength. So I think that might have just been a bit of a push to get some moves out, basically just reset the market and yeah, move forward. So going over for the session, guys, DXY, very easy one. I am still very bullish for this point, so I am still waiting for that break back above. Start holding support levels, daily pivot and EQ untested, so that's actually on the cards for me. I'm just waiting for that big break to come in for us. With gold, I'm still very bearish, but as I said to you guys, we had that 2000 level. We were even talking about the 2006 level to be tested, but there's push up with the news. And then if we go over to our 15 minutes, we are now at the R2, so basically trading up, holding the R1. We always talk about that continuation. The news coming back and testing the zone. This was our first zone we wanted to break, never got that, then traded right back up, basically having a little bit of rejection at the R2. We've traded to the R2. Can we be rejected from there? So again, I'm just waiting for this break here, guys, and then I will take a little shot at this. So just I'm really alert and just sticking to that for now. Going over to NAS. NAS, we are still bearish on the day, guys. For me, this is all a pullback into those zones, as we can see here, with that massive rejection coming in. So I'm still very bearish on equities as well. You can see the same thing, just all that one-way momentum, trading up, rejecting the zone, back at Asia highs. Basically, I want to see it get back in the range. and then going to go sweep Asia lows and trade downwards for that daily pivot. So that's the first thing on the target there for me. And US30, almost the same thing. Just in a nutshell, you're already at your 15-minute zone, and we rejected off there. So trading down, retook Asia highs, tested the zone. Second time around tested, looked like we rejected it quite nicely now. Same thing, once you get back to Asia highs, can look to enter to go for Asia lows, daily EQ, and our support zone over there. So in a nutshell, guys, very, very easy setups for us today. Everyone can understand that. But hopefully we can get a nice trade in here on gold today. So we're just going to see what happens over here. Jeff, what you looking at today, brother?
So with guys, Keegan's gonna man this ship today. We are looking hard at gold. We've been looking at gold. So just on the DXY this morning, I shared this with my members. So I said, okay, let me just remove this indicator because I don't know why it does that. So Asian highs untested. Now I initially wanted to see sales from this level. As you can see now, this let me just show you. If you go to the 4 hour, here's a fair value gap. Here's a fair value gap basically. Now if you go and refine that, you'll see on your 50-minute chart you don't have a fair value gap, but you do have supply zones. So I wanted to see price basically tap into this first zone over here and then basically reject above the Asian highs and tap into this level and then basically sell. But then seeing now we have taken Asia lows with my method basically. For those of you guys who have watched the trading alchemy, you guys know that below Asian lows I look for buys. Now looking at DXY, the weekly R1 is at this level. Now I don't want us to go all the way to the weekly pivot because that will kind of throw my analysis out. But what I'd like to see on DXY potentially is a push up, reject, touch the R1, and then basically go for Asian highs. And once we've taken the Asian highs and reached that EQ point, we can then start looking for a potential reaction to go to the downside. So then on gold, bearish on gold. I want to see also similar thing, Asian lows untested. So I want to see them take out the Asian lows before going long. And we also can see over here all that trend line liquidity. So I want to see all those buyers get stopped out. And then on GU, very similar. Okay, so on GU it's a bit different. I was bullish on GU, but the only thing now here is the S1 is all the way down here with the unmitigated demand zone, and we left this liquidity down here yesterday. So this is also not unlikely. And as you can see, also they just basically tapped the Asian highs, forming this little sweep over here. So that is a perfect indication as well that price might just reject over here, and there's also that pivot. So we might see GU do something like this, going for these lows basically. Then GJ, I want to also see GJ trade down. So here we have a supply zone at the S1 and price has broken structure below that level. So I might potentially want to take some shots to sell GJ all the way to the downside towards this demand zones. As you can see over here, price slightly missed that level. So this also confirms that there is liquidity sitting here that must be taken out. And then moving forward on EU, so I was in this position since yesterday. I closed about at Asian highs and it ran to TP. So just gonna remove this. And then just looking at structure once again, this is our weekly open, and notice how prices tapped the open and then rejected. Then if we look in the sense of breaker blocks, here's a breaker where price basically, when CPI came out, price broke to that level. As you can see, weekly open, that level, our price rejected. However, also I wouldn't be surprised if EU does continue to push up towards that supply zone and then drop. However, I would like to see a reaction from here so we can get in on something. So yeah, pretty much from my side. Yeah.
Nah, beautiful, Jeff. See what markets give us, guys. Obviously, I am going to be looking at gold. I'll tell you if I change it now, but I'm taking the watermark off now that I'm not jumping between pairs. The watermark absolutely drives me crazy. But yeah, guys, time to get into it. See what we can get. We've basically got 15 minutes till market open, so let's see what happens. Angelo in the house, what's up, brother? I hope you either trading that account if it's reset or if this is a different account now, but good to have you. Yeah, New Moon Branch, time rip the markets with a new one. How's it going, Chads? What's up, brother? NTO. Dynasty, where do you normally get news? You can look at it on Forex Factory, wherever you want, but I'll look at it on a terminal. How's it, Jevin Keegs? What's up, brother? Good afternoon, guys. Ayo Keeks, is Chris leaving us? Bro, we don't want to talk about that right now. That is a story for tomorrow, so make sure you guys don't miss that. It is quite an important one. I'm still holding gold bars from 1993. Yo, beautiful, brother. I just hope you got your entry areas in for if you are going to close out that. So yeah, Community laughs. Jev, I didn't understand your chart when it was white. Now with black, I can't grasp a thing. But always dropping the nuggets nonetheless. Respect. Chris Markable, any thoughts on GBP AED, gents? No, I don't trade it, brother. Kajan, what do you think of buy stop, sell stop strategy for some news events? You are a fucking retard if you do it. That's all I can say.
Go watch that video of Raja.
Yeah, you are a dickhead if you are using buy sell stops. What's your confirmation on gold you're looking for? And aware gents, hope the Valentine was looking blue. It was, bro. It was a very, very good Valentine. Confirmation on golds, bro. So I want the sells under, yeah. If we start breaking above, even maybe testing that 260 area, I'll look for the buys. But I am bearish for the day, actually. I'll look at the buys if we get it, but I am more bearish. Should we start a keto again? No, the guys are back for New York session this time around. How's it, guys? Ryan, what's up, brother? Can you explain? Okay, Fury, bro, if you're using buy sell stops, you are a gambler, you're not a trader. So go to the casino, go blow your money there. If you're using a buy sell stop, you are purely doing it because that you're hoping markets are only going to go one way. If markets wick you down and then flip to the top side, you are screwed royally, and you're just going to blow accounts. Secondly, also, if you use a buy sell stop, if the move teleports, it either won't activate your trade because it can't register where your initial entry point was. And if it does, you will be slipped dramatically. So you could even be slipped and then have the pullback and still lose as well. So again, if you want to do that, go gamble. That's not what trading is. ABC, yeah. Go watch Roger Banks' live video from yesterday. Yeah, Neil. That is a perfect example of it. Tomorrow's podcast, everyone should tune in. Yeah, quite an important one. Jacina Kajan, just watch Roger Banks for buy, sell stops, and then see if you want to continue. Lol. Yeah, I think that is literally all you need to see to understand buy, sell stops. Just looking at DXY. Yeah, guys, obviously for today, I'm really just zoning on gold, so I'll just be jumping between gold and DXY the whole time. Buy sells are a one-way ticket to losing 100%. 100%. If you are doing it, only thing I can say is, like I say, you actually have zero clue on what you're doing on a trading platform. Sorry I'm late, lads. Been a busy morning. Have load shedding this morning during London. All good, brother. No stress. Guys, just let me know about the volume, how it is. If the music's maybe too loud. I think it's a bit loud in my ear, but just let me know. Keegs, there's no need for the watermark. If you're a trader, you should know the price of the pairs. That is true, bro. That's the whole reason about this. If you know, but also at the end of the day, like, it's NYSE. Like, if you're an NYSE trader, there's a handful of pairs you're probably trading. And again, you can be looking at price. So yeah, the watermark, as I said, I'll use it for analysis when I'm jumping from pair to pair to pair. But yeah, when you guys know me, I'm just giving you analysis, but not something I'm looking to trade. If I'm trading, it's gold. So I'm locked in over here. Hope you guys doing well today. You guys catch anything during London this morning? I didn't, brother. I'm waiting for my minimum days on my trading account to go through so I can start the new phase. So literally, I'm not trying to force any trades. I'm almost a bit switched off.
I took my first trade on my Thunder challenge. GU was up 2% and I'm break even. I didn't listen to Keys.
Yeah. But also with Chris, I think Chris closed up for 3 pips drawdown. So yeah, nothing dramatically. We obviously had our giveaways and stuff in the London session, so that was a vibe, but not really anything on the charts. JV, is there still spots available for the Trading Chronicles tomorrow?
Yes, there is. I'm actually dropping the email in the chat, so if you want to book a seat, you must send an email to Caitlin at infop@voltmarkers.trade, and then she will confirm if your seat has been booked. There's only a few seats left.
Yeah, Edgar, you need to talk to him, brother. He doesn't want to listen to us. I've tried. Chris has tried. You can have a shot at him. Next week, Miles can have a shot at him. We. But yeah.
we can
Damn.
definitely sit tomorrow 8. Maybe you can come in a little bit earlier and give me and come school me.
Yeah. Honestly, Jeff, like, you know, my thing is, and like, I'd say this to you because the same thing I'd say to the Chad. Purely because it was your first trade, I would have taken the 2%. I would have even taken the 1%.
And you said that to me. No, I
And
didn't.
purely because that is your first trade. It gives you so much more of you can relax and breathe now than when you've started the account. Literally the account that I did, the Chad will show you. You can go to that VIP group and go, look, the first trade I took 1%. That was it. I took 1% and that was it. Just that I can give myself that breathing room moving forward.
I feel like for myself, okay, it's not an excuse, but I felt like the setup was so perfect. So I was like, I wanted that to happen. But then it goes back to that thing of attachment.
Yeah.
Yeah, shouldn't get attached. But then again, I feel much better. So next time, lesson learned.
No, good, bro, it's all part of lessons.
Like for instance, you told me something today. What you said, putting your stop up 1%, for instance. So I didn't listen in that. And that's the first time I actually thought about that, or someone has said that to me. So next time I would rather not be an asshole and egotistical, and rather set that stop there and get out with that 1%, and then
Yeah, it is like that was the thing, bro. Also, like if that thing was there, you giving the trade the chance to run to 3-4%, but if it's not coming around, you've still taken 1% off the table. You still have had a successful trade.
Definitely.
Yeah, so you went break even that GU trade, Ed. Swiss yen going to break bull flag. Don't trade it, bro. Jeff, don't put yourself where I am. That is 6% down. That way you're not scared to take the next trade.
Oh, that's very true.
Yeah.
I can tell from previous experiences. And also what you said now, my previous experience when I was down, that's also when I started messing up, because now I want to get back to break even. And then you force things.
Yeah, it's a whole different story then. I mean, it gets uncomfortable, and yeah, it's not a good place to be when you're down like that.
But no, give me 3 months, 6 months max, and I'll be funded.
That's it, brother. Again, it's not a race, bro. It's not about like how quick you can do it, things like that. It's take your time, do what you need to do, build the confidence. We know it. I mean, I think that's something you have mentioned it, but I think it's something you'll talk about probably in next week's podcast. But and a lot of people have it, but the psychology of seeing the big numbers. A lot of people get blocked by that just to see the big numbers. And yeah, it's take the time. If you have to go slow, but you'll overcome it, and then you can get your feet. You got to be able to walk before you can run.
You know, I've been thinking a lot about the funding and the potential of it. And I'm like, I'm such an idiot, man. Like, the first time I heard about prop firms, I should have paid attention. Then who knows, like, how far I would have been by now.
Yeah.
And if I really, like, Chris said it before, like, let's say you have, like, let's say 300k accounts. You can literally make 1%. So then thinking about it in that sense, long term, yes, you can get funded with this one account. But if you want to truly accumulate, like, lots of funds, per se, then the whole goal is becomes like, you know, just passing and getting funded.
Like, you know, my thing is, for example, like your one trade now, you were swinging for a 4R. And this is what I said to the guys in London session is, if you get yourself in a position where you get a 100k, a 200k account, you treat it like gold, even when it's in a challenge phase. Because firstly, if you aren't blowing those type of accounts up, you need to be in a place that you are trial and error, doing whatever the hell you're doing. Or you need to stop trading if you're just that stupid and blowing them left, right, and center. But when you pass them, those are life-changing things. Even a $100,000 account, 2% is 40k.
Yo.
What you were sitting at today would have been a 40k payout.
Damn.
And that's what I
Damn.
say to guys.
It's all perspective.
It's perspective. So where guys are always wanting 5K, 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 5K. And because it's cheap, they'll blow them left, right, and center. I always say to people, when you buy yourself a piece of shit, you'll treat it like shit. If you buy
That's
quality,
true.
you'll respect it.
That's very true.
I found him a 50 USD account. He's at... Wait, who did you find? I need to follow... What? I need to follow my son. He's up 120% on the account. What? 120% on a funded account?
No, I think he funded him.
I funded him $50. Oh, okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Yes, I was gonna say, but you know, and that's the thing. Psychology as well. Like, guys, we just chatting. Markets aren't there. Obviously, now I'm waiting for the break here. So this is we just chatting now. But guys can always pull these numbers when they trade private. But the minute it's a prop firm, they're scared to do that.
Yeah, also I thought about that, like in the sense of my small accounts. That I think Miles asked me, Jivan, where do you see yourself 10 years from now? Do you still see yourself flipping accounts? And I was like, no. And it's very true what you said. Like, it's so... I feel like also you get comfortable. I felt like I got very comfortable, like telling myself, okay, I made 200% on my account, but I can't make 10% 100%.
Yeah. That's the psychology. After the chat, like they say, you don't need a bigger RR, you need more capital, and prop firms have opened this up at a reasonable offers. Yeah, bro, and that's what, for myself, that's part of my story. Prop firms changed the game for me, and that's why I will always promote them to other people. Not everyone can afford to put R1 million into an account and trade it, but you can afford and save up and do everything and go spend 5-6K, buy the account, take the time, because that will change your life at the end of it. Private is the way. Disagree, Loki. 100% disagree. If you're a newbie, private's not the way. No.
And also my fear with private is, you have all your funds in there. So if anything must happen, like you screwed per se. I'm not saying anything will happen, but the chances of anything happening per se, like with brokers getting closed down, now that's all your personal funds. Whereas if it's a prop firm, good example, like with Keeks, with the my Forex funds thing.
Yeah.
Yes, it's $100,000 account, but you pay it way less for it. So it's not like I lost 100K.
Yeah, so also low-key difference here now is, my brother, if you can't grow a private account, that's what we're talking about. Everyone can grow a private account. It's really not that hard. But the thing is, remember, a funded account, the rules and regulations are in place to make you fail. And that's the whole thing. If you can pass it, get it live, and trade that account consistently with all the rules, you will be a better trader. And that's where I say, in the long term, now when you're successful and you've got a 10 million rand, 10 million account of your own, you will never blow that account because you can implement the same risk management that you use on a funded account. So that's why I say that. If you are a newbie, a funded account will teach you rules, it will teach you to be disciplined, and it gives you access to much larger buying capital. But when you are a more senior trader, then yes, private is obviously the better way. I bought 100K and my account was up like 5%. Then I'm now down at 98K now. Oh, that's heartbreaking, bro. That's why I bought a $50,000 challenge. When I pass it on first withdraw, I'll get a 200K challenge. That's exactly it, Peter.
That's also true what Gino said now. Funded accounts will make you a better trader. So ever since I've been going through this struggle to get funded, what Chris said, like obviously slowing down on the amount of trades you're taking. I've been doing that. But then also becoming more aware, like this week, for instance, with the BEs and not having a trade. Rather waiting for that quality setup that you know that when you take it and you're going to profit. So yeah, the funded accounts definitely, it forces you to become more disciplined.
Yeah, so that's what we were talking about. I'm with you, Jeff. I was ignorant on prop firms. Would have lost way less money if I traded with prop firms instead of my own money. Can you have any amount of BEs on funded accounts? Wait, what? Can you have any amount of break evens? Yeah. If you go and break even, you go and break even. It doesn't matter. Which prop room can you guys recommend? Please, guys, 100%, bro. You can go Vault Funder. They will definitely sort you out. Jev, please look at the Pareto principle. Interesting and read, especially when you look at it financial markets.
Got it. I saved it. I'll check it out tonight.
I have that fear, Keys. I can trade a personal account, but damn, I have that fear of trading that funded. Don't know why. So let's see. Gold is going to the top side. So if it has a bit of a pullback, we can take the bar. But this thing's gonna go now. I also debated on some aspects of my plan, but I learned that. Wait, hold on, Vince. Keys advice for me: I am down 1.6 on my final candidate. A big challenge for me is I'm too scared to risk a full 1% per trade. Now I rotate between 0.5% and a 1%. So Vince, this is where the psychology comes into it. And I said this thing to Jeff the other day. If you are scared to place a trade and to risk what you want to risk, firstly, 1% is normal risking, and even 0.5 is normal. So those are two amounts you should be okay with. But what I would say is, what you got to do is think of it this way. If you are scared to take that entry, you're scared to lose that trade as a psychological thing, you probably don't even believe in that setup before you've taken it.
Oh yes. When Keegan said that to me, if you're gonna doubt the setup, don't take it.
Yeah.
And that's exactly also why I haven't taken any trades on my funded account. Well, I took one, but why I haven't taken any trades on my other, like earlier this week, because I wasn't confident. Not even wasn't confident, but you shouldn't. Okay, but correct me if I'm wrong, Keegan.
Yeah.
But you shouldn't be having that internal conflict with yourself. Should I? Shouldn't I? It shouldn't be a thing that you overthink.
No, 100%. It should be just come in like natural. If you have to overthink it, you don't do it. I always said to guys, like when we go to the track and we go racing, if you have to think before you make the move, don't do it. It needs to become natural. And it's the same thing with trading. You can't think and doubt yourself. You need to just react. So yeah, if you have to think twice about it, don't take the trade. Simple as that. And I always say to you guys, trading is a risk of probability. So when I trade my personal and my private accounts, if I've won 2 trades in a row, I will double up my risk. I'll then risk 2% per the trade, because probability is on my side at this point. I'm going to win the trade, so I will risk more. If I'm in a losing streak, if I've lost 2 trades in a row, I will half my risk. So then if I'm risking 1%, I'll drop to 0.5%, because again, probability, I need to change the odds right now. So if I do lose, I've only lost 0.5% now. So for example, where I've lost 2%, I'd now need to lose the next 4 trades to lose another 2%. And you work it like that, and you just keep doing that until eventually you can break the odds. Let's just see.
What do you mean the leaderboard only shows 2 people?
I'm keeping my brother. Well, I'll just get to it now. Wolfman 5K, send your blessings. You got it, brother. You can do it. Anyone can get a personal account, over leverage, and get lucky, but fund account is all about percent and risk management, which in the long run will make you a better trader. 100%, bro. Afternoon, G's and Chad. If I was a trader, I would still chill today. Data coming out very mixed. Data was actually pretty straightforward, actually, King Shack. You basically only had the retail sales come out. Everything else basically is dollar strength. So retail sales is the only thing really. But I just don't trust it. Yeah, so that's kind of why I haven't taken anything. Because I'm not trusting what the markets are doing. Is cheap for Zara accounts. Yeah, it is, bro. Easy on that payout yet. Most of these big influencer traders in the US use funded accounts. They keep stacking them, hit 1% across like 5 times 100k accounts for the month, and they're happy. Yeah, that's exactly what they do. Yo, Deep Keys, I love you, brother. Much love to you, bro. TP hit on gold. That's awesome, Sia. What were you aiming for, the 2006? I still get nervous risking 0.25%. I still have the problem of hating being wrong. Why does the leaderboard only show 2 people? At the moment, 2 people have only got a payout. So that's what the leaderboard is. US 30 reckon amounts, reckon accounts. Jeff, did you move stop loss to break even with a GU trade? Yeah, he was break even. Angelo, long chill, bro. Focus on the next payout. This is Big Ed, that's me, bro. I want to keep it mechanical, but this is what Key said is next level. How is it feeling, bud? Yeah. Anyone actually get payouts from Vault Funder yet? 2 people now. They are on the leaderboards. Angelo's in the chat, who's literally holding the leaderboard at the moment. I mean, I see only Angelo and Prestorius. Yeah. Because the rest of you guys are cuck and can't get payouts. I know it sounds bad, but that's the truth, guys. To have a leaderboard, you've actually got to have good traders. If you guys are cuck and blowing accounts the whole time, we can't help you with that. Like I promise you, the one day, bro, Chris and I were talking. There was a guy that was up, I think 60k or something.
Oh, I've heard about them. Yes.
This man was up 60k, Chad. 60k in 2 weeks. What does he do? Not even break even. He blows the account. And I'm like, yes, sis, you dipshit.
Yeah.
Like, why? Why? But greed will do these things to you guys. Because you think you're all going to be ballers, get one payout and go buy a Rory. Fortunately, it doesn't work like that, guys. But you know, that's also the thing, which always amazed me, is people will get greedy, okay? Like that, now they have a 60k payout. And it's not good enough. They want more. They want more. They want more. And I can tell you now, their monthly salary is probably like 20k.
Yeah.
You just made 3 months' salary in 2 weeks.
To me,
and
like,
you're still being greedy.
To me, I always look at my journey at Woolworths, where I got paid 3k a month. So whenever I see 3k profits, especially if it's in one trade, I take it.
Yeah.
Because to me, it's like I used to work a month for someone telling me when I can go eat, when I can go pee, when I here. So I don't understand how.
Yeah, it's all different ballgame. Keys are ready for phase 2, baby. Yo, brother, I'm gonna start on a Monday. Trust me, I'm locked and loaded for that thing, bro. Keek, so you just joined. What is your outlook for NAS? Bearish, bro. I am bearish on it. So we basically played out quite perfect, actually. we spoke about rejecting this zone and then getting back to the Asia highs and then the sells. So obviously I'm not trading it, but yeah, that was the plan for NAS. Come on, gold. Give us something. I wonder, so is DXY going to hold that pivot now? Jeff sounds like our broski Randall now. Trading is a game changer. Lol, my first payouts, I plan on it being 1%. Lol, my first job was earning 2k a month. Bro, and that's the thing, like these guys get greedy over this stuff. Get funded and get on the leaderboard. Everyone can achieve this. There we go, Angela. Tell them, bro. Like, guys, again, you could literally get like 5k and you'll go on the leaderboard. Like, the leaderboard is only 2 people. So, even if maybe your 5k puts you in 3rd, you're still top 3. Even though top 3 is also last place. But you are top 3. So, you literally just need to get a payout and you will literally go on the company's leaderboard. William, what do you think of Nasdaq? Look at yesterday now. Okay. What do you want me to see here, William? I gave my analysis literally in the beginning, and I gave it like 2 minutes ago. Well, Angelo, don't make it sound cliche, but it's true. My name will be there soon. Donnie, that's it, bro. We love to hear it. Donnie, I hope you actually are a guy, or you're a woman. I think you're a guy. Angelo, Vince, gotta make it sound easy because it takes common sense. I see your first withdrawal is 30 days. After that, how many days? So after you get a first payout, it is bi-weekly. Lol, true bad. Donny Sidonia. Let's see what is. Yeah, I don't trust this flipping gold. You're not in anything, Jeff?
No, not yet. But I am waiting for GJ to go hit that zone at 188.750, and waiting for EU to hit 1.07838. So potentially, if DXY rejects the pivot in the S3, we might get a reaction for us to go down. Looking at gold too, but I'm not finding something that's gonna bounce off.
You can do it. Yeah, I'm looking, guys. We hold the 2006. I'll take a bar. So this 5 minutes, we close and we hold this. I'll take a shot at a buy. Yeah. And then very simple. Either we can supply first target, or we go back to fill the move and get back into the zone. So we'll just see what happens. But yeah, if we hold this, I'll try to take a shot at it. But it doesn't look like we're gonna hold. If DXY jumps off this pivot, I think DXY is gonna then start coming back. So just gonna see what happens here. Hopefully gold will finally give us something to trade. Straight mail, lol. No, I thought so, bro. I just wanted to confirm. We've had a few guys, we thought were females, and some females we thought were males. So yeah, just confirming there. Keeks, what is the name of the EQ indicator? The previous day range. Yeah, the previous day range. We're just waiting here, guys. Can we get in on the buys? But yo, guys, 143 of you, only 49 likes. Let's get those likes up to 100 there, guys.
Yeah, hopefully we get some volume.
Come on, give us something. I just really wouldn't. I can't see gold going all the way back up, bro. That's my only thing. Like, technically, yeah, but everything else I can't see it happening. That's my problem right now. 2008 major key level. Well, I've got 2.6, bro. Keep in mind, we've always said this, guys. It's not a bloody wall. Like, you're gonna hit it and just turn. They zones. Always think of it as a zone. So, for example, if I got 2006, King Shaq could have 208. That's your zone. EQ is 50% of the previous daily candle. I use fib to mark it out. Yeah, you that's the thing, guys. You can use a fib. You can do all of that. Just like myself, if you're paying for trading view and I have the extra things, I can just throw it on. Just makes my life a lot easier. And then also I can see it there the whole time. Otherwise, you mark it out manually. So you can do it either way. So is this thing going back down? DXY looks like it wants to start fighting back a bit here. So you do have quite a bit of a big... Yo, this would be a massive sell-off. Like, this would be a big move down. What do you think, Jeff?
Oh, is it gold?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. That Asian lows, man, it's untested.
It's pretty...
So, yeah, I wish we could eat. Misschien hulle gee die hond sy kos.
Oof. Looks like it's starting to come alive. Hey, hey. Here it comes. Come on, gold. Once we break, yeah, guys, those cells are on. Yeah, and I think gold to hitting some people again. Come on, break. What's DXY doing? Come on. Oh, I don't feel comfortable taking it. Yeah, that's my thing right now. Wait, what? Sure thing, James. Graffiti on stream. That cap and headrest. It makes it a lot easier though, Vinci, not paying for free. Yeah, I always say to guys, when you're paying for something, you're paying for convenience. So DXY having that pullback, now dollar wanting to start jumping a bit.
Gewoon vleetvat.
I see, William, I don't care about US 30, bro. When are you going to understand that? I'm not trading it. It's not my focus. I'm not looking at it. I'm not worried about it. I'm watching gold. Uh, 50 minutes is such a hack, honestly. Yeah, it is, bro. It really is, Okay, let's see. Can we get the cells? Uses Vault Markers to broker, right? Yeah, it does. Come on, break the lows here for us. break it. There we go. So it looks like now we're gonna start seeing it come in. See guys, I'm just waiting for the break over here. Then I'll take my shot at it. Let's see what we can get. Still waiting for it. Dollar coming alive though, so that is what I'm waiting for. Yeah, I'm really liking what dollar's doing. Keys, you looking for break and retest or only break and retracement? Bro, honestly, it's breaking the rules a bit, but if I just get a closure below, I'll take it. I'll take it. But that's why, this is literally why, because you got this resistance here, the R2, I need it to go, so I know there's going to be volume here the whole time. But when I go over to DXY is at that support, so keep in mind that S3 can be used as resistance now. So that's why I'm waiting here and not taking that one over there. So we're just trying to see what we can get here. Yeah, market's just been a bit choppy. Jave, still nothing on the cards for you, brother.
So GJ has touched that zone, waiting for change of character now. And then once we have that, we'll look for a new supply zone where we can react from.
Nice.
So technically, want to see something like this happen, and then maybe, just maybe, this little candle here could be.
Okay. Based on the XU could literally pump or dump from the zone. 100%, bro. Like, it is, cause if DXY makes its comeback, DXY is pumping to the top, which we will then see gold dump to the downside. Hey Chad, have you guys taken anything yet? Send recovery. We are waiting for our trade here, brother, on gold. We're chilling out here waiting for it. The buller in the house. So yeah, we're just hanging out now waiting for this. As I said guys, it's just it really is hard, in the sense that fundamentally the data actually came out more in favor to the dollar, yet we had that dollar weakness, and that's, I said to Jev and them the whole time, I don't trust the dollar weakness, purely because it shouldn't be there. So we'll just have to see what happens. Again guys, because also it's moving up and down and that side of things, I don't have a reason for these trades. So if I can't get where I want it, we'll let it run. Same thing I said, I'd happily take the buys of that 06 if we hold it. That didn't hold. So yeah, a bit of a patience waiting game out today guys. The sells are still on, even if this closes. Yeah, this could reject if it rejects the zone the next candle, but then DXY needs to basically pump up and break through the support. Dynasty, my Naz wanted to hold to the moon. Go check this morning stream. We did call the pullback today. Yeah bro, we spoke about the 19 area and then the 2006, purely because of this year guys. Yeah, just waiting for this hustle guys. Oh, Jeff, what is the reason behind your color scheme?
I am now in a new era. I used to be full of light, but now I reside in darkness. So no more being friendly, no more. Nah, I just wanted to change it up. But I'll be honest, I copied someone else's candles. I looked at it and I was like, oh, that looks dope. Try it out. There's some changes with the candles. It's not completely the same, but yeah. It also changed my psychology this week.
Yeah. It's good, bro.
I wanted to have pink and purple charts, but nah.
Trading is 80 weighting. If you're doing less weighting than that, then you're probably gambling. Yes, follow your plan, Chad. Yeah, bro. Stick to the plan. Neil, sending in the signal there for you, Bulla. There's your recovery signal. Welcome to the dark side, Jeff. We have cookies. Is the Mint FX triple M?
Yes, Ed. That's a Mint FX triple M.
Dark mode, Jeff. Guys, please. And actually, hold on. We were talking about this before stream. Etty, I think, sent it to me. Let me just confirm. Give my boy the credit where it's due. Yes, it is. Etienne sent it to me. We've got a public announcement for you guys. Just to save the lives of many of you innocent, helpless people. I beg of you, when on this weekend, when you feel like spoiling yourself, do anything other than buying Joe Ash's course. All you're going to do is lose money buying the course. You're going to lose money trading the course. And you're going to lose yourself in trying to understand that rubbish. I can tell you now, it's all free stuff. You could have just got off of YouTube. So please do not waste your time in buying our brother's course over there. It is time to see you guys grow. Don't help these fakes grow. So the little public announcement for you guys, please, do not do it. Keeks, don't forget the giveaway. Chris, we actually were going to ask, bro, are we doing, the Chad wanted to know, are we doing a 5K giveaway? Or are we doing 2G's casino? Don't know who is that guy, but I'll buy myself an ice cream. That is the way, Danny. That is what you go and do this weekend. You go and you buy yourself an ice cream. The less you know about that man, the better. Into what? Discovered this channel this morning. It changed my life. Would 100% suggest we all subscribe and hit that like button. Bro, can you please explain what a no stop out account is with Vault Markets? I think that's based on your equity, eh?
I'm really not sure.
A no stop out. I don't know, bro. I've actually never used that account. A no stop out. If I'm going, I think it's normally because of equity, if I'm correct. So yeah, or if I'm actually, hold on, the no stop out, if I remember, I did see something about it. I think what they do is they add a certain amount of value into the account for you. So what it was that, like, if you traded, for example, news with it, if this thing, like this was a candle, so for example, if you were trading this, let's just do something like that. If you placed a buy here and that was your stop loss, they would have given you this margin to play with. You won't get margin called. Okay, never mind. I'm seeing something else. So there, Chris is asking you just won't get margin called. So there we go. That's the explanation behind it. Where was I going before this? You should watch him analyze on Trading Nut podcast, bro. I think it's the funny thing. Nah, bro, you can never do the casino without me. I live for that. No, I thought so. I wasn't going to, bro. It was never my plan. The Chad just wanted to know what we're doing. The Casino Royale needs its 2 partners to run. Only 5K. No, guys. Chris literally, he lives for the casino life. What trailing drawdown is on a funded account? Yo, guys, hold on. Yeah, I don't know why it hasn't bothered me for so long, but my ears are chalked today. Yo. 2G's Casino is more fun with Chris Markable is on the stream. The way he gets hyped when the flip goes against just priceless, lol. What you deposit is probably how much you can lose. Yeah. Well, your NAS call was spot on, shot Peter. We can casino tomorrow on a Friday for you guys. Chris gets excited when the toss goes his way. Alright guys, but while we wait for the charts here, Jev, you have nothing coming up now, eh?
It's not yet. Still waiting for GJ to make
So we'll do a 5k giveaway for you guys, a 5k Vault Funder account. Very, very simple, guys. We're going to choose a number between a range. We'll tell you what that range is, and then you basically are just going to have to send through a number, and then if you get the number right, you are our lucky winner. Actually, hold on. To make it interesting, Chris, or what do you think? Are we just going to do, even though it's not the casino, but are we just going to do it straight if you get the number, you win? Or do you have to get the number and still get the twin cost to win? If you get it wrong, we're not doubling it up, we just go again. Just makes it a bit more exciting, or do we do a straight 5k giveaway? Let us know there. We're gonna get the orders from the big man. Go straight. Okay, cool. We'll go straight. Chad is hungry. Clickbait 101 lol. Yeah, Chris, you can also participate. If you win, we double, eh? Chris is gonna send through some completely dodgy answers. He's gonna be sending through like 5,400 and something. But alright guys, we're gonna get through here. Let's just get my notepad out. Let's get a number for you guys. Where's my eraser? I need to
Keegs, I might have to leave you for like 10 minutes quickly.
Yeah, that's cool. We're gonna do the giveaway.
Just have to go downstairs and see someone quick.
No, it's short. I'm doing the giveaway, so it's short.
Chad, we'll be right back.
Alright guys. Are you ready for this one, Chad? Are you ready for this one, Chad? Okay. Slow mode is on. Oh yeah, awesome. Okay, someone put it on. Okay, if I get it, we have to double. Slow mode, baby. Thanks. Alright, guys. So, I'm going to tell you the range. And you guys literally have to just think about it. You have your shots, go for it. If you get the number, it is yours, baby. Alright. So when we send the message start in the chat, then you guys can start sending the number. Alright. So guys, the number, the range is between 0 and 100. Alright, 0 and 100. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna get it? Oh! Whoa. There we already got it. I feel like you guys are just onto our new little tricks today. Hensku, you got it. Congrats, just so we can show the chat. I think you guys were on to our little numbers we were catching on here this morning. Number 1. There we go. Yo, Akko, you were a little bit slow there, my brother. Just a little bit slow. This is that moment you need to go up your internet provider. Get faster internet. But Hensku, it is yours. Chris even got it as well. Oh, I swear, yeah, you guys are all onto it, yeah. Oh, the Chad's thinking, yeah. Hold on, guys, hold on. Yeah, you didn't get one. Are you being that person now? No, where I said start, then it's Lucian, then it's Franco, and then it's Hensku. Yeah, I'll send you a photo. Then it's King Shack, then Neil, then Dorito Demon, Then it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You literally 12th. Yeah. No, I like it. Okay, just one. Alrighty, guys. Yeah, even Chris saying now he was first. But obviously, I think he's going on what you guys are always talking about on your side, that it shows first. That's what I'm talking about, the internet, guys. It will show first on yours because you literally typed it, but it's not how we receive it on this side. So on the stream side, as I said, Chris saying he's literally second or third. He was 12th on our side. So that is your internet's fault, guys. Go fight your internet. But Hensku, you got it fair and square. It is yours. So basically, all you're gonna do now is you can send a message through to Chris. Just show a screenshot of your email that you use for that YouTube name, and that is yours. Thank you, amazing. Yeah, so just message Chris, get hold of him, and he will get that account through to you. I got Lucian, Franco, and Hensku as the first 3 comments. Yeah, even Edgar got it as well. So yeah, that's how it came through on our side. Cheers, geeks. Have to run. Father duties. Enjoy, brother. Be safe. I said in the morning with a 701 and not making that mistake again. Got it a bit late. Congratulations to the winner. Lag for the win. Chris, you're gonna get gulagged. Why so many options? If she said this morning people should like and subscribe. Yeah, and she's been here from day one. Quite day one. Been here, a true trooper. So very, very glad. Always seeing the support and the winners being the OGs in the channel. Slow mode is off there, yeah. I feel still not in writing telepathy, yeah. I wanted that double up. Chris, we are you and your gambling, bro. You can double it all up tomorrow. But I think that man knew. Yes, there's a few of you guys who are onto me. I'm gonna have to change it up again for tomorrow. We're going to come with some new tricks. DXY breaking those lows, so gold. That's what I say, guys. DXY literally going bearish if you see. Oh, yeah, I can turn the music down a bit again. DXY literally melting away. But we've got gold almost consolidating again. So, yeah, not liking it too much. That's just a purely why I'm waiting for these lows here to be broken before I take the trade. So, we're just going to watch out for that. Otherwise, that's it from my side here. Hensku, yeah, if there is any other issues or problems you have, either just message us. But yeah, just message Chris and he'll walk you through it if you're unsure of anything. Unlucky, yeah, congrats. 96, a bit late, brother. I'm mad excited for the Exceeding stream tomorrow. You guys can ask your wives to choose the numbers. You know what, guys, the problem is I actually thought about that today, but where Chris and I, we were saying, remember, we've been almost figuring out numbers that you guys don't see the patterns, and then you guys can't get them. Then the next day you guys just are mind readers and can get any number we put out there in 2 seconds. And I think it's just, the only thing is, if you put a woman on either, they're gonna just throw a completely different number out there. You guys aren't gonna get it, or they're gonna throw the predictable numbers that people go for, and you guys get it easy. So it's a 50-50. Yeah, damn, I missed the casino session. Yeah, that was this morning. That was absolutely a vibe this morning. So we're just seeing what's happening here. DXY, as I said, still those lows. Nas, yes, as Nas played out perfectly going for that daily pivot. Peter, I see what you said. That literally was a perfect analysis. USD going to the top side of the weekly pivot. Yeah, US30 doing its own thing. Keep in mind, guys, that is reacting off of the news today. Obviously, that has part of it and more an effect with it. So, yeah, honestly, guys, I'm not liking anything I see here. So, we'll just see what happens. But, yeah, personally, I'm really not liking anything on the charts here. Drop a like and subscribe, guys. Yeah, we're on the road to 6K, guys. Honestly, it's been a ride, but We are literally around the corner, guys. I think I can't see the chat right now, but I think we are at 5.9 something. Let's just see it. Let's put it up. Let's see if we can get it. All right, let's just get in here quickly, Chad. Let's see. We're gonna pull up the live counter. Where's YouTube Studio? Literally, guys, 50 more subscribers. 50 more. What are the chances, guys, you guys can give us that push today? You can push this baby up to 50. Get it over the line for that 6K before the big one tomorrow. The big podcast you guys don't want to miss tomorrow. That's why Chris is gone here, guys. He's not even in the office today. He had to prepare for that. So it's, yeah, I'm just telling you guys, you don't want to miss tomorrow. Analytics. What does it go under? Content. There we go. Live count. Okay, we do have it open in case we get there, but 5.94, 5.93, 5.933, 5.94. Yeah, we had 5.948. That's where we're sitting at, the exact number, guys. 600k account giveaway. Lol for the 6k subs. Very ambitious, but I don't even think that's happening yet. Guys, just push it to 6k, baby. That would be insane, guys. Guys, did you confirm load shedding for when? Tomorrow? That actually, oh damn. Chris, you are there at home now, brother. Do you just want to check there if we have load shed? I know you know what the schedule is. Maybe just check there what it is for tomorrow. I will check now. Okay, cool. Stream raid, Keegs. If we can get the 6k today, Keegs, let's do another giveaway, bro. If we got a 6k today, we 100% will do another giveaway. We 100% will do another giveaway. I know Chris, he will even we will do a 10k giveaway for you guys if we hit 6k today. Gold is pushing up, guys. Why are you still waiting to sell? Look, the silver is flying. The silver is flying. All right. Gold is pushing up. Yeah, we know the people who only come for the giveaways to subscribe. 100%. Guys, these guys help lives. If it didn't go off today, it was like not meant to. So don't know, but 6 a.m. tomorrow. All right, that's good. Everyone go sub from your mother, father, grandparents, siblings, friends, phones. Come on, guys, push it. You can do it. I don't think we've even moved yet. Yeah, not on our side yet. But you know what? That's cool. We're getting there. Bro, we'll let you know in the office group. Okay, cool. Just check here, guys. We're just trying to make sure, obviously, for tomorrow. That would actually be quite a valid point if we have load shedding tomorrow. Or create extra accounts, lol. Let's see, guys. Let's see. Am I blind? Where's our... Okay, well, we'll see you there later. We want also support. Yeah, guys, the support really is insane in the chat. You guys, Peach Nation, something people need to watch out for. Yeah, about 15 minutes left till I think we'll give it a call. But let's just see what's going. Jev, nothing on the charts for you here, bro?
No, nothing yet. So GJ is not confirming that change of character. And looking at the time right now. Oh no.
We'll sponsor tomorrow. Just come collect in Northwest Province. I'm off the gym, lads. Gonna call it a day. Have a beautiful day further, nation. See you guys for the opening bell. Cheers, Keys. Cheers, JV. Cheers, brother. Have a good one.
See you, my man.
But it's going to be crazy, guys. I know with you guys. There we go. 5949. Well, one more subscriber, baby. And then we're at that 50 mark. I can feel it in my bones, guys. We're going to manifest it. We are hitting 6K. If not today, we are hitting it tomorrow. I can feel it in my bones. It is going to happen. Yeah, we can. There we go. 5950. We are there, guys. We are there, ladies and gents. Someone been adding me to mad WhatsApp groups. Bro, the funniest thing was I was added to a Telegram group of an idiot literally faking me. Like a dumbass trying to be me on Telegram. Was for a signals group added me, and I was like, "Are you a retard?" Hey, Keeks, took buys at NAS, pivot, targets, Asian highs. Anything else I need to check? We can check that for you quickly, brother. You had Asia lows, Asia highs, yeah, bro. I'd say Asia highs are on the table for you. Just check, you might have the retest. So if you break below, close out. But otherwise, if it holds, Asia highs definitely on the table for you, bro. Easy Asia highs. Someone been adding me, with you, bro. 6K incoming. Lol. I manifested 10K subs by March and a 50K by June. Sachadonia, bro. See you on WhatsApp. Aikido. Shot Geeks. Yeah, guys. It's been a crazy journey. It honestly has. I don't think you understand how much we truly do appreciate it. The amount of work, the hustle we put in behind the scenes, the improvements we're constantly working on, just to make it better for you. You are you a retard? Lol. Congrats on the subscribers. You guys deserve more and more. Sure, you'll get it soon. So yeah, we just waiting on it. It's been crazy. It really has. But we absolutely love every single one of you guys. So that is why we are always more than happy to help you guys and give back. But big plans still incoming, guys. You don't even know the half of it. So definitely things to look forward in the future. Let's see what happens. Can we regain the 206? We know just for the giveaways, all signals we are for the long life, baby. Goals volume this week. Yeah, we said goal was going to come alive this week. 100%. Keeks, I'm going to buy a Vault Fund 5K pass, and then you guys can do a giveaway to the community of the past account. Yeah, bro. If you want to do that, that will be sick. We can do that. Don't forget to also subscribe to our brother's channel, Jevon Ferro.
Yeah, I just reached 500, so I'm halfway to 1,000.
There you go, brother.
Super big thanks to everyone who subscribed.
W for the videos of unlocking the secrets of Forex. Feels great to see you guys grow. Yeah, it's honestly, it has been crazy. We spoke about it the whole time still, but like we remember when we started streaming and there was literally like 20 of you guys, and then it was 30, and then it was 50, and then it was 80, and then it was 100. It has been crazy. W stream, appreciate it, bro. We'll buy next week Monday. Yeah, I'm just waiting to probably get treating our guys this next 5 minutes. We'll see what happens. But yeah, we'll see what happens. But yeah, King Shaq stepping up for the Chad. Ooh. Edgar stepping in.
Away. Thank you, Ed. Appreciate it, man. Appreciate it.
King Shake might be promoted to range, baby. Yeah, goal still there at that 206. Let's see, Naz. Yeah, as I said, bro, just watch you hold this. Whoever that was that asked me earlier about this. But yeah, just make sure you test in and hold Asia lows. If you start breaking it, get out. But everything's moving. I think it's definitely gonna go up. My brother put me onto the stream. Top notch info here, lads. Tell everyone. Oh, really, really appreciate the kind words. A man with a spanner, King Shaq. the spanner puts people to rest who spam. Yeah, bro. You give him a little whoop there on the head. We give you the power to kitty people, yeah. Yeah, so that Nas tray, whoever was asking me that break below now, yeah, just keep an eye on that. Could just be temporary, because I don't see a reason. There's not a reason yet for DXY to have to be turning around there. So yeah, just keep an eye on that. Vince, you don't laugh at the chat, not gonna lie, bro. Javen, you're not in that GJ trade or anything yet, eh?
Oh no, no change of character. I think actually they might continue pushing up. Yeah, I would have wanted to see them reject immediately.
Okay, cool. Alright. Was just at Jeff's YouTube page. I just subscribed and ran away. Cool content, bro.
Are we? Thanks, man. And you know, also, name. I spoke about this the other day. I see so many guys, they change their strategies every year. New courses, updated versions, 2.0s, 3.0s. There's literally videos on there that I uploaded years ago. Like probably 2-3 years ago. And it's still valid to this day. And yeah, to me, that was just such a huge eye-opener. Like, this is so timeless, you know. So, enjoy it, guys. Enjoy it.
Yeah, I don't know if I trust trading gold this time now. That's my problem as well. It's not the best thing. Yeah. Nah, I'm not like when I'm seeing the on gold. Also is lekker, pal. Keys, bro, 140 watching, but 84 likes. Tell them to like, bro. Yeah, bro, I think we should just reload yours. We 140 viewers, but we're at 107 likes. So very, very, guys. But I mean, you can still do better than that. That is, you guys can still do better than that. We know you guys. Said to you before, what you said 5 years ago, you will say in 100 years to come. Gonna land the plane, broski Keeks. What is it now? I'll wait for this 5 minute to close. But yeah, I don't see myself taking any trade now. And yourself, Jeff?
Oh no, for myself also nothing. The timing is out, so
Yeah.
I don't want to do something I will regret.
Yeah. Yeah, and this thing looks like it's getting a bit extended. Hopefully we will close with the show goes on. You know what, guys? I think we can do it once. We actually haven't closed it with that in a while.
Okay, let me not be that guy.
We are not playing the rapper.
No. I just saw something in the chat and I want to ask this guy something, but I don't want to seem like I'm stirring up beef.
Oh yeah, the Jeff. What?
No. So TDM noob. Just a quick question. Are you with TD markets?
I don't know who the hell that is.
Yeah, you asked what's the view on DXY, guys. I'm just asking, are you with TD markets?
But it's TDM. Noob.
Yeah, TDM noob. Yeah, TDM is the abbreviation for TD markets.
Oh, TD Mark. Okay, yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I don't know if I trust the movie on gold, guys. I don't trust it. Jeff, I don't to see a Forex session. But yeah, guys, I think that we're going to call it for the sesh. There's just nothing really happening there. But I'm not going to force something. I mean, it's Thursday, going into Friday now, late. I don't see myself taking any trade here with actual nice volume. So I think that is going to be it from my side. Anything from you, Jeff?
From my side, guys, no, timing's out, so enjoy your night, spend time with your family, study, collect data, practice, do something your future self will be proud of.
There we go. All right, guys. So again, before we get into the end now, just make sure, guys, you do not want to miss tomorrow. Tomorrow's the big one. The podcast, you guys don't want to miss. There's a lot of things that need to be spoke about there, a lot of informative things we need to let you guys know about. So make sure you are there for that.
Does Vault Funder have a minimum withdrawal?
Hello,
Vault Funder.
Yeah.
are you,
No,
are you,
No,
are
just
you near
asking,
Green Acres
say I
maybe?
get funded. And like I bet him, I just make pennies just for the sake of it. I can withdraw those pennies.
Yeah, in the next 10 minutes.
Well, yeah, would you have a profit split of this penny?
Okay, you can. No, I'm just asking. Like, I'm
Yeah.
thinking
Too far away.
All right. So as I say, guys, tomorrow is the big one. You need to be there for
no
that
stress,
one.
No stress.
It is gonna be
Cool.
it's gonna be
Bye-bye.
a little bit of a heartwarming, heart-moving one. We can say that. So you guys want to be there for it. But otherwise, we have got Casino Royale with 2 Gs tomorrow morning to start it off. Myself and Chris in the opening bell, and then the New York session after the podcast, myself and Jev. So make sure you guys tune in for those. You don't want to miss it. And let's hit that 6K tomorrow, baby. I can feel it. It is coming alright. So we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out, baby. Much love.
Slave, put chains all on your soul and put whips up on your back. They be lying through they teeth, hope you slip up off your path. I don't switch up, I just laugh. Put my kicks up on they desk, unaffected by they threats. Then get busy on they ass. See, that's how that shit tell me, man. That's how my daddy raised me. That glittering may not be gold, don't let nobody play me. If you are my homeboy, you'll never have to pay me. Go on and put your hands up. When times is hard, you stand up. LUP the man, cause a brand that the fans trust. So even if they ban us, they'll never slow my plans up. Already the show goes on all night till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. Show goes on alright. Already the show goes on all night till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. One in the air for the people ain't here. Two in the air for the father that's there. Three in the air for the kids in the ghetto. Four for the kids that don't wanna be there. None for the niggas trying to hold him back. Five in the air for the teachers not scared to tell those kids that's living in the ghetto that the niggas holding back, that the world is theirs. Yeah, the world is yours. I was once that little boy, terrified of the world. Now I'm on a world tour. I will give up everything, even start a world war. For these ghetto girls and boys I'm rapping around the world for. Africa to New York, Haiti then I detour. Oakland out to Oakland, Gaza Strip to Detroit. Say hip-hop only destroy. Tell them look at me, boy. I hope your son don't have a gun and never be a D-boy. Already the show goes on all night till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. Show goes on alright. Already the show goes on all night till the morning we dream so long. Anybody ever wonder when they would see the sun? Just remember when you come up. Yeah, so no matter what you've been through, no matter what you into, no matter what you see. When you look outside your window, brown grass or green grass, picket fence or barbed wire, never ever put them down. You just lift your arms higher, raise them till your arms tired. Let them know you there, that you struggling, surviving, that you gon' persevere. Yeah, ain't nobody leaving, nobody going home. Even if they turn the lights out, the show is going